Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On this episode, we got a busted pipe that we fixed. Take a watch. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe. So the first thing we did when we got to this clogged line was snake it, and we felt some stones in there. So we needed a vacuum to remove those rocks or stones in the line. After vacuuming, we want to put in the camera and take a look and see what's going on. So when we put in that camera, we notice that there is a break in the line. So we get the green light to break it floor and fix the problem. And that's exactly what we do. We start breaking the floor, uncovering and unearthing that pipe. As you can see, there's the pipe. We begin cutting it. After giving it a nice cutout, you can see the old pipe. Gone. Rusted, decayed. Old news. Expert is here to install the new one and have this properly working again. Remember guys, always take your measurements correctly so you can do it one cut, one time. We use the best equipment to get the job done. Take a watch. What you are witnessing here is a Vivor Pro press combined with the RIDGID chain cutter. And we're gonna press that pipe, cut it into our part that we need. After we get our first cut, we put it on the pipe, measure it. This way we can get the correct measurement for the next cut. So we can keep moving forward with the project and get it done the correct way. Measure, cut, and place. Experts are always here to get the job done. This was much bigger than just a sewer drain. This is the last step of what happens when your pipes are broken and needs to be replaced. Take out that old pipe and bury in the new one, and the job is done. Just gotta cement that, it's over. Appreciate you guys for hanging in. Please like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Peace.